Thank you for joining us today. As my colleagues have already explained to you the details about DC by DC system, my name is Ajay Sharma and I will be showing you a live demonstration of this system. So I'm working with GDA for a couple of years and we build systems and solutions for different industries, especially for hydrocarbon industry. So today I'm pleased to show you my DC by DC system. So as you can see here, this is not two DCs put together, but just a plain one simple DC. This DC is based on latest Agilent 8890 platform, which is a very smart, modern, faster and better DC. As you can see here, it has a touch screen and various options, diagnostics, maintenance, logs, everything is available at just touch of the screen. So as you can see here, there is a columns and pressures and settings and temperatures. Everything is at your hand. You can just go here, change the column temperature, you can put the oven temperature, detectors, everything is at touch of your finger, including the diagnostics and maintenance. And then this system also comes with other latest benefits, which I will show you in a very short time. Now look, going for the GC by GC system, so what is special when you want to do a GC by GC system is a device called, which is based on CFT technology. What is CFT? It's a capillary flow technology. It's a microfluidics based a GC device, which I will show you here, fitted inside the oven. And as you can see here, this is a very simple, even less than the size of a credit card. It's actually two halves diffuse bonded together to make a single flow plate. Now this is also called as a flow modulator device. Now in this DC by DC, this will be treated as a flow modulator. Now there are some specifications which we must meet for being a very good modulator for DC by DC. The first and foremost is it should be having a very low zero volume, especially low dead volume inside. And secondly, it should be a very inert material. Of course it's a metal, but then we have specially treated it with ultra inert technology, which is also called Ultimetal technology. This is specially treated, so it is, of course, you can see this is a blue tinge here coming, which very clearly it shows us that this device is made inert by using a special process called CVD technology. It's a chemical vapor deposition which is being done at different factories. Now along with this specialty of this flow modulator, one of the very mandatory demand is you need to have a very low thermal mass. What do you mean by low thermal mass is that this device must be able to change its temperature as quickly as the columns inside the oven. So this is very low thermal mass and will achieve the same temperature as that of this column immediately within the same time. So both the things are housed in the same oven, so that whatever is the temperature of the column is also the temperature of this device. So we do not have any leftover artifacts inside this flow path. So this flow path also has got a little collector inside where we will be collecting the elutes from the first column and then transferring it onto the second column. So as my colleague already told, it's a GC by DC, will have multiple columns, dual columns actually. One of the column will be the, let's say it's a non-polar analytical column, and it's also the longer column in the system, then followed by a second column which will be a short polar column. So why do we say short? A short column is actually you need to finish the run into the second column within 1 or 2 seconds maximum. So second column also is known as a fast chromatography column. So this system and this device is a very simple technology but very efficient and very reproducible results you can get from this system. Now, along with this flow modulator, you also need a modulating valve, which I will show you here on the top of the GC. This is the flow modulator valve. So this valve, along with the CFT plate, they work together and then they keep the flow moving from one column to the second column. This valve has already been tested for more than 1 million times without any breakdown. So these are very strong and latest technology devices we are using to give you the solution for GC by GC. Now, along with these CFT devices and the flow modulator, the GC comes equipped with many other benefits, which is the regular, if you see a regular GC which has got inlet and septas which are probably not so efficient for some of the reactive trace compounds, but let's say if I show you some of the liners inside this inlet, it's pretty simple. You just flip it open, lift the top, and here is your liner. And then if you see the liner here, the liners are being shipped as a ultra inert liner. These liners are also coated and they are very good for a proprietary trace level analysis. You can see here there is a glass wool and there is a split. These are single tapered liners. They come pre-fitted with the O-ring at the top, so you don't have to struggle and putting them inside the system. So just slide them in, push them in, and then just close the blue knob at the top. So it's as simple as this. The technology which comes from Gulf Bioanalytical and Agilent put together. Along with this system is also very important is you must maintain and use the gas clean filters. If your carrier gas is not good, it's not free from oxygen or moisture, probably you will have issues. So these are the gas clean filter where it changes the color, giving an indicator that it's time to replace the system. So the colors are given for oxygen and moisture. Once they changes, you probably will have to change the filter. So these filters are indicating filters. You can change them as they get saturated. Along with these filters, I will also like to show you a small most of the times, whenever as a user you are not working with the hardware all the time, you probably will be working all the time on the PC. So the softwares are very important for you. This is the OpenLab software solution where you can connect multiple systems across the geography. So this is such a software where you can connect, as you can see here, my system, my lab has got how many 10, 20, 30, 40 different systems are running in the lab, and this can be done controlled or data can be processed even while you are working from home. So these are some of the benefits which come with GBA analyzers. So we are using all the time this latest technology and give you a solution which will enhance your productivity, so you can do what is the need of the hour nowadays. You can work from home or work from anywhere, and then also save on resources or conserve the energy and contribute to the environment. With this, I would like to hand over to my colleague. Back, he will explain to you the GC by GC software, the new features, how easy it is, and then continue from there on. Thank you.